Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an exam and options form in Google Forms step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you're a teacher creating online tests, a trainer checking knowledge, or someone who simply wants to make a quiz quickly and easily, Google Forms is one of the best free tools you can use. The best part is that it can automatically grade answers and organize responses for you, which saves a lot of time. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, log in using your email and password. Once you're inside Google Forms, you'll see the dashboard where all your existing forms are stored. To create a new exam, click on Blank Form. Now, give your quiz or exam a title. For example, you can name it something like Science Quiz, Weekly Test, Training Assessment, or anything that matches your topic. You can also add a short description explaining what the exam is about or adding instructions for students. Next, it's time to start creating your questions. Click on the default question area and type your first question. Google Forms supports different question types like multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and short answers. For most exams, multiple choice questions are usually the easiest because they can be graded automatically. Simply type your question and then add the answer options below it. You can continue adding more questions by clicking the plus icon on the right side of the screen. Repeat the process until your exam is complete. Now, let's turn the form into an actual quiz. This is the most important part. Click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. Inside the Settings menu, enable the option called Make This a Quiz. Once you turn this on, Google Forms will automatically unlock grading features for your exam. Now, go back to your questions and click on Answer key at the bottom of each question. Here, select the correct answer and assign points to the question. For example, you can give each question 1 point or more depending on your grading system. You can also add answer feedback if you want. This allows students to see explanations after answering questions correctly or incorrectly. It's a great way to make learning more interactive and helpful. After setting the answer key, click Done to save your changes. Repeat this process for all your questions until the entire exam is fully configured. Another useful tip is to make important questions required. This prevents students from skipping questions accidentally. Before sharing your exam, always preview it first. Click the preview icon at the top right corner to see how the quiz looks from the student's perspective. This helps you catch mistakes and make sure everything works correctly. Once you're satisfied with the exam, click the Send button. From there, you can email the quiz directly, copy the link, or share it through Google Classroom or any messaging platform. As students submit their answers, Google Forms will automatically collect responses for you. You can review scores directly inside Google Forms or connect the responses to Google Sheets for better organization and analysis. And that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, creating an online exam using Google Forms is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. It's a powerful way to create interactive quizzes while saving time with automatic grading and organized responses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Google Forms tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.